All right, good morning, good morning, good morning. What an amazing, awesome, just incredible day it's going to be today for you. And of course, I'm doing the Myron Golden recap today. I believe we're on day 19. And today, the video is how to build wealth for beginners. How to build wealth for beginners. And one of my favorite topics that he does all the time, and he draws this really cool house. Well, it's a house with 4 windows. But he talks about what those windows represent and how that we spend our time to create some money, and then we spend the money and it just goes out the door. And the purpose of cash flow for the poor is to pay bills. Then he talks the purpose of cash flow for the middle class is to develop credit so that we can buy things that we can't afford anyways and pay bills. And then the purpose of wealth for the wealthy is to acquire assets that will then pay you, that can perpetuate wealth for your entire life. And just the way that he illustrates it and the way that he puts it together, so there's no misunderstanding of, like, let's say cash accumulation, where he draws like a pool that doesn't have an outlet, and it's a diminishing, when you think about cash, it's not as worth as much next year as it was today because it has less buying power. Then he kind of draws a river that says we need to have cash flow, because when you have cash flow, then it comes in and it can go out. Oh, so much to unpack inside of that. And the perpetuation, and that's the generational wealth side of it. So this is one of those I say this every day because they all are. But if you're really wanting to understand wealth on the simplest, terms, I guess, without somebody explaining stuff that are concepts that are just like crazy to understand, make sure you watch this whole video. All right, so another day done. We will talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a blessed and wonderful day today, and we will see you tomorrow.